In the biting cold of winter and the scorching heat of summer, the challenges for those without a home intensify.
I think the biggest need is to just somewhere to stay, and somewhere to just be safe. Because you can't really do anything else if you don't have that basic need, basic human need.
As the Director of Communications at DC Coalition for the Homeless, James Freeney sheds light on the 13 years of change he's witnessed during his time at the coalition, overseeing services for the homeless.
We've seen tremendous increases.
But how do we gauge the extent of homelessness in our district? Enter the point in time count. Annually, social service agencies hit the streets to tally individuals experiencing homelessness in Washington, D.C. Last year, the PIT count revealed an 11.6% spike from 2022, 4,922 unhoused, a 12.1% rise among families, and 10.2% among single individuals. The coalition goes beyond numbers. Many of its dedicated workers have overcome their own personal struggles.
A lot of folks that work here have either been homeless or former substance abusers, or both.
Thank you. Open the front door.
One such individual is Gary Henderson, a driver for the coalition, now sober for 28 years after receiving assistance from the organization.
I just want to continue my journey and just try to help as many people as I can, because, I know that from personal experience that it's hard. It's not easy.
Henderson, serving as a source of inspiration for residents at the Emory Low Barrier Shelter, hopes to motivate change by sharing his own transformative journey. Results of the 2024 point-in-time count, completed on January 24th, are expected to be released by the district's Department of Human Services in May. In Washington, I'm Daria Anastasio.